the sovereign citizen.
All right, duty for this part now says, and Honorable Judge Oakley presiding.
Have a seat. All right, gentlemen, your appearances for Jonathan Monroe.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Please gladly hearing on behalf of the people, PA Sports Jersey.
Good afternoon to Your Honor, Madam Clerk, the office of the to be made on behalf of Mr. Monroe, who stands to my left. Please take the board.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Monroe.
Thank you, gentlemen. Are we ready?
Your Honor, we are prepared to proceed. However, I noticed there was an issue with the felony information or the information agreement here. Court has received, there was a missing habitual third offender notice, which the people has to.
That's fine, that was bad.
However, I think, yeah, I mean, it wouldn't really matter if those anything regardless. I guess it's just boards will put in the defendant on notice today on the record that we can do.
Understood, counsel? Okay.
Well, and then they have the information that they comes to serve.
Okay.
But yes, the people are ready to proceed. Stand your honor.
Okay. Let's call the witness.
The people first call Jessica Osborne to the stand.
Ms. Osborne, all the way up front. Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth today? Watch your step on this incline ramp. Settle in that chair right there. When you're ready, Mr. Leckie.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Ms. Osborne. Can I please state and spell your name for the record?
My name is Jessica Osborne, it's J-E-S-S-I-C-A, Osborne, O-S-B-O-R-N-E.
Very good. But I'm gonna just because I can navigate. So you guys my phone just a little bit closer. It works. Okay. Alright. So Ms. Osborne, were you do you know anyone by the name of Jonathan? Okay, and who is that person?
He is my ex-boyfriend.
And ex-boyfriend, so it's fair to say that you would be able to recognize him if you see it again?
Yes.
Okay, and is he in the court protection?
Yes.
Okay, can you please take a moment and point to him and identify him by what he's looking at?
Right there. I don't know if I'm sure.
Okay, Your Honor, at this time, I'm going to ask the record reflect witness to identify the defendant.
Noted.
Okay, now, were you with that individual on July 10th, 2026?
Yes, I was.
Okay, and where were you?
I was in Providence, being shown by the resort,
By what place?
the resort.
A car store. Okay. And what happened?
He was drinking and he was going from being hostile, laughing and crying.
Okay, so let's back this up real quick. So what time of day was it?
When the sun occurred, it was about started around 8-ish.
Okay, is that in the evening or the morning?
He
Okay, and now you said he was drinking. So where are you? So you're at a party store. Where? Okay, parked. Meaning you're in a car.
Yes.
Okay. Who's driving?
was
Okay. And you said he was drinking. Was he drinking in a car?
he were outside and he went in and I had the
Got blown.
bottom.
Okay. So bottle of what? You don't.
It was up.
What is that?
It was being
Okay. So what kind of bottle? And what did you see him do with it?
He was drinking.
Okay, the whole thing?
He was, yeah.
Okay. And at some point in time, does he come back?
He was he said he was talking to me. Yeah.
And I'm sorry, so you gave him 30?
He said he was talking pretty much the whole show. And
So I want to stop you there. So did you arrive with him?
no,
Okay, so he was there and you arrived separately.
I ran to the store first. He was speaking, I suppose.
Okay, you met,
Yes,
and he asked you to speak for 30 minutes before he will write up. What is that?
that he wasn't letting me leave. He wanted to get out of my car.
Okay,
I got to tell him I had to go something else.
okay, because your kids?
Yes.
Okay, so what happened?
And he talking about us, and it was just, it was all back and forth, talking about us and everything. Sound.
And
What does that say on?
what was that? Yeah, so he said you've been talking about us and what's it called?
Yeah, he's talking about because.
Okay, are they your kids or? Okay. And that's right at the beginning of this 30 minutes?
We're listening to music.
Okay,
And then songs away. He sang, cried, laughed, and started punching. I dashed in the window.
so he punches your dash in your window from the inside or the outside?
And it's like,
Okay, and what did that do?
it broke my window.
And okay, moving on from that, what else?
Jesus on the store. Because I was really talking a lot of people. And so he gave us for he automatically, you know, front of it. You know, and they're just looking at me. The last time I went to the store, they actually at me.
And that's the sort, sure,
Yes,
or whoever was.
for the floor.
So I want to get back to the car. So is there any time you said he's punching the dash and then the window, is he punching you with them?
No, he did. He said, "Oh, that what the people are
Okay, so for the record, I see with your right hand, open palm, in the direction right, so left outside your body toward inside your body, almost like a slap, right? And then in fact you made a slap sound with your hand, is that what? Okay. So, and you said he kissed you, is that right?
Yeah,
Okay.
he had a little hour.
Grabbing your kids, did you ask him something?
Yes,
Okay, did you do anything else?
he just grabbed my thigh.
Okay. Where,
I think so much.
okay, and
But he didn't have to touch me.
what do you mean by that?
My heart.
Did not touch you in your right ear. Okay. Did he touch you anywhere else?
No, just when he grabbed me, because
Now, your inner thigh, you said how close to your privates was
about 2 inches.
it? Okay. Now, okay, when he was kissing you and touching your thigh, did you guys do something?
Yes.
Okay, wow.
We went through the whole movie. Very opposite.
And what do you think was happening?
How dare this? Got punched everything like I want to dash my thumb.
Now, did he touch you anywhere else? Now, when he was kissing you, sorry, that for you.
Actually, I came out there, I was sort of like a turn. He was like to go back.
Okay.
He was right on my face, on me.
Okay. Now, at any point, how intensely was he kissing? Whether just a little past, or can you, how would he kiss?
I got him over.
I'm sorry?
I got him over and played for me.
Okay. Was he, now, are you sure that he didn't touch your products?
Objection, Judge. It's been asked me, it's available, and it's a closing today. Are you sure?
Any response?
Sir.
Ask and answered, move on.
Now, is it that, do you remember any other contact?
I am so over daughter. She was like, "Boom!" She had to get these clothes and home to leave.
And I just need physical. So when he's kissing you, I kind of asked, was it a peck or anything like that? And he didn't really answer that. So how would you start on this?
I was gonna say something. My face kissing me. My face kissing me. Bad.
Did it go beyond his okay. His tongue didn't finish your mouth though. So your mouth was shut. Okay, he didn't force anything in your mouth. Okay. And you filed. Now, at some point, did you call the police?
Yes, I tried to use that last time. Fall consulting. Every other day.
Okay.
From that. I did the SOS. I was trying to get me more involved. At the same time, as I get slower, I did the SOS for people to my phone.
And
And I put it in my bag, all back.
Okay, I'm having a real hard time understanding this woman. So start over with SOS. Did you say he snatched your phone?
He was trying to snatch my phone. God.
Okay.
I don't have the SOS.
okay, so
My phone, you can ask it to go, or you can slide over and calls. Emergency services.
okay.
So I did that, I did part of my back voice in. Because
And but at some point, you go to the police or
yes,
okay. And do you make a statement still?
yes,
And you sign it, all right?
yes,
And in that statement, you tell them exactly what.
yes,
So then I want to approach. Okay. And that's, I'm sorry. The last thing I asked you was that's exactly what happened, correct?
yes,
So I want to approach your statement.
Yes,
Yeah, and I want you to read it. I'm going to ask you some questions about it, okay? So don't read it, talk about it. Just look at it first, and then we'll talk about it. So you can go ahead and grab it. It's too big. Okay. And then flip it over when you're done. Okay. Is there anything different in that statement than what you're testifying to today?
well, Judge, I think that's improper, it's not a reflection that you can teach you, so what? This is a way to correct witness testimony.
So what's the legal objection so I can have Mr. Leckie respond?
Hearsay, what's improper, refresh, in which case of all speakers.
Counsel.
I think it has to do with like,
Try that.
now, you just stated that everything in that report is accurate where, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I want to ask you, was there anything that you left out today that's at all?
I don't understand what you're saying. You've got to speak more clearly and speak up. I don't want a translator. I want to hear her say what she's trying to say.
Take a second.
That helps having the mic close to you like that. You need something to drink?
Everything. One inside of my starting my Saturday. I got sort of around 7 parties where he was hitting my video, punching at her. Had her on the face against me. He was kind of one from.
So, I'm just saying that. So, did you tell Colin Sugar there that touched your body?
Said he was hitting my face.
Well,
He
did you write in that statement that he touched your body?
grabbed me swinging my head by.
So I understand, but my question is, in that statement that you just read, did you write in there that he touched your body?
Yes.
Okay. So, is that what happened?
Yes.
So you did touch your body?
He grabbed between my thighs, back of my ear.
Okay.
Where he was grabbing my thigh. That's what touched.
Right. It touched your body?
Yes.
Okay. That's it, thank you. I'm gonna come grab that from you. Sure. Okay, and I am looking for this, that's thank you.
And
Yeah.
good afternoon, Ms. Osborne. I just have some questions for you. If you ever need me to rephrase it, you just let me know, okay?
Yes.
What?
So, Ms. Osborne, I want to start first with that statement you reviewed. To be clear, do you remember writing out this statement when police asked you?
Yes, she.
And did police give you an opportunity to kind of collect your thoughts and write down what happened?
Yeah, the circumstances of what's going on.
Understood. And in that statement, you wanted to be accurate, is that fair to say?
Yes.
And just try to remember as much as you could about what happened given the circumstances.
Yes, sir.
You'd agree with me, Ms. Osborne, that there's a part in that statement where you're able to indicate and almost like circle what happened to you, correct?
Yes.
You agree with me that in the places you could circle, you could mark whether or not someone had inappropriately touched you sexually, correct?
Yes.
You could mark if you ever were touched or sustained injuries, correct?
Yes.
You could mark whether someone restricted your freedom of movement, correct?
Yes, sir.
We're reviewing it again fresh. You're reviewing it to see where you're looking.
Well, I don't remember.
We're reviewing it to self.
I don't know what I said.
So that's what I'm saying, we're reviewing it to see what your circle felt professional.
I do, but my sort of be the same.
Understood.
So,
May I have questions?
Sure.
Is that your question? Okay. You'd agree with me, Ms. Osborne, that you did not circle that there was any bodily injury, correct? Did you circle it or? Okay. Did you circle where it said sexual assault? Did you circle where it said interference with freedom of movement?
I believe I did. I don't know, glasses. Somewhere.
I think circling where it says other, were you describing it? Okay. And how soon was this taken after the incident?
I entered that for over 4 hours, so I'm mad, but and we have happened all those guys.
And I want to talk about when you're saying that I assume my mayor goes to the store. Is he going to the store by himself or are you going to?
No, I had go back something.
So each time you're saying you're going in out the store together.
Yeah,
And you said that you arrived at the store first. So I want to clarify why you were at the store. To be clear, you don't live in that store, do you?
no, you can stop. That's very close.
So I'll just break that down a bit. You live in the park, correct?
Yes,
Outside of Mr. Monroe being there, you had a reason to be at that place, so correct?
I actually go there every day, go around, whatever, get it straight, not even have you have to.
You're saying you live half a mile from
I haven't seen those guys actually work. Right on the street.
at the top of
No, it first.
Okay.
The airport.
So you're saying you live right down the street from the park?
She says she works there, Council.
Right on the street.
So you work right down the street from the park, so you say you, prior to this incident, go every day?
No, or public.
The question was, at the time of this incident, you were at that store on a regular basis.
Yeah. Gentleman called me. He wanted to talk.
Okay, so your testimony that he asked you to go to the party store?
Well, that's not there, but.
That mess,
Yeah,
it's not the
no, he
same.
said, I got messages.
Okay. Messages and voicemails from his number?
Yes,
Okay. And to be clear, he would have been texting or calling your number?
yes,
Okay, and that's the number ending 0083, correct?
yes, sir.
Now, you told the police, Miss Osborne, that you asked to meet Mr. Monroe, is that correct?
No, I'm not.
Well, specifically, you told police that you asked
Where
him
is
to
it?
come over to talk about your children.
That's not recycled. At all.
And to be clear, you have 3 children.
Yes,
And you had mentioned that part of this was about your older son.
no. That's not recycled. We were talking about credits, that's because, to be honest, because he missed his kids.
You're saying he missed his kids. Here, these aren't kids that don't have to come.
No, it's all of this.
So I just want to make sure the record's clear solid. When I'm asking a question, you can wait. I know, already know the answer, but we just need to make sure the record's clear, okay? Got it? Thank you. So I'll just ask again. You all do not share your children, do you? And when you were at the party store, did you drink at all?
I had no shots that put it in my face. That
Did you drive at all?
no, I was just in a parking lot for 5 hours being out.
Good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You never left the park.
Oh, yeah. I was not drinking. This is waiting for that. This is waiting for that.
Okay, so you actually saw him earlier.
Hours before that.
And then you decided to be in the cross.
We were at the first order. That's it. Our good name on the legal consent. We busted around the hour. And we,
There's no question on the floor.
So, Ms. Osborne, is it true that earlier in the day you texted Mr. Monroe to meet up to have sex?
no, not all.
You did not.
No. I have
At the time.
I have messages.
Did you show us the police?
No, I didn't have my phone.
And you said that you were trying to, and I want to go back now to the web part. So you said you were trying to get people to call. So you're saying that there were folks around that party school who observed this happen.
Yeah, I think it was.
Okay, so customers.
He was saying you better call for every time they execute me. That's what he was saying. He was very hostile.
Okay, so to answer my question, we're talking about people around.
Yeah.
Were there customers in the store?
Yeah.
Okay. And you're saying they observed what was going on?
Yeah.
There was a store clerk or a store owner, correct?
Inside the store. There were no customers inside the store.
But you said that you would enter the store as
Yeah.
a person. Did that store clerk or store owner make any observations at that point?
No, they're not objective. No, like, what, I don't think she can justify with the store.
I don't know it's her or anybody.
Miss Osborne, you keep talking when other people are talking. I'm done doing that. Your response?
To my objection, I'm sorry.
Yeah. You were in the middle of your objection when Miss Osborne decided to add something.
Again, I'm objecting to her ability to justify what the store owner observed.
I have a phrase.
Rephrase.
So, Ms. Osborne, did any of these interactions you had in the store take place in front of the clerk or the owner?
We logged the store, he grabbed me. They seemed terrified. I did not say they.
Okay. And did you ask anyone in the store to call the police or no? Okay. And you said, oh, to the customers, both the clerk.
Both.
Okay. And then you're saying there are multiple times actually we're going in a store fair.
Yeah.
So at multiple times we asking people to help you either outside the store or inside the store.
I was going to the store deal with I mean, excuse to a chef store. So we're actually all to grab my phone to last boss emergency. And I learned my bag with Sam. You know, and that's the store and then well the store was smaller, we're all in that here. To my phone. Plane. Then I have to call back. See, talk to this, but
And you were talking to police while Mr. Monroe was still in power.
we were outside, we were walking out of the store. So I sat with my kids, we tried to snatch my phone.
Okay, so you had that conversation with police while Mr. Monroe was next to you.
He not next to me. I was actually back away from him. And he had a short time t-shirt. And they all hold on.
Okay, so I think you need to answer my questions on the solid one. Was Mr. Monroe next to you when you spoke to the police or no?
He was about a little bit. Probably 8 years into me.
Would you say that's about 9 or 10 feet?
I guess.
Yes, ma'am. Is it true that you've been arrested for assaulting and stabbing your partners?
No.
Did you provide any receipts of the repair to your legal?
I don't know. Okay.
Where's,
That's not fine.
where is that?
Squeeze. Otherwise.
Well,
the sovereign citizen.